Hello everyone, today we have new video review and this time we're gonna check small resin kit from Eduard. As usual, let me invite you to check another video review which you can find here on our YouTube channel. And of course don't forget to visit our websites here so that you can read full review article with detailed photos and text in English and Russian. In case you don't see this link, just go in the video description below. There should be direct link for the review of this set. So this is a brass kit which is molded on 1/72 scale as it's written here and copies Spitfire 500 pound bomb set. Here you can see all the parts. Package is quite typical for the brass, as you can see it's not that big. And we have all parts exposed through the transparent plastic box so that you can check them before the purchase. On the back side we have small parts map. So as you can see there are resin parts, there is PE thread and there is also decal sheet. Now just give me a second to open it, because it's a bit tricky to open, yet it is quite easy, I would say. I mean, you don't have to cut anything, you just have to pop out it like this and then you're ready to go. So first we have assembly manual and inside there is a decal sheet. So here it is. As you can see we have decals application guide on the front page, then we have assembly manual here. And this is a small decal sheet with all necessary symbols. Here you can see them. And on the back side, as you saw, there is a parts map for all included elements into this kit. Next we have resin parts. These are secured with several layers of foam. Here you can see them. And as for the resin parts, there are 4 of them. Here is the first pair and here is the second pair. Now I will zoom a camera so that you can see them closer. Here they are. Molding quality is typical for brass products from Eduard, so as you can see everything is carefully molded and even the thinnest features are carefully replicated out of resin, but they will require careful separation because otherwise you can damage the part. And as you can see, attachment points are quite thin, so it should be easy to separate the parts of the base, let's say. Now just give me a second, I'll try to open the cardboard which secures PE thread, because as you remember this kit also features small PE thread with extra parts for fine detailing of the bombs. Here it is. And as you can see it's unpainted of course, so you will be able to cover in whatever shade you would like to, and some parts will require painting in order to be installed on the bomb. So that's all for this short video review. As you can see we have this nice small addition set from Eduard. You should be able to buy it right from today, and as usual I will be happy to hear your opinion in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, you will help us with this, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all fresh video reviews on time. Thank you for watching and I will see you tomorrow as usual. Bye!